Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hotspot, Birmingham. Beautiful car this, BMW X3 2 litre. So it's a M Sport Auto xDrive Euro 6 start-stop 2016 on a 67 plate, registered latter part of 2016. Okay, 87,000 miles, good service history, last serviced at 84,000 miles. Nice spec this. Look at those 20-inch alloys, Michelin tyres, immaculate, obviously recently re-diamond cut and powder coated. Lovely metallic grey. It's got the M Sport Plus package. It's got the BMW Media package, Professional, Harman kardon, Xenon headlamps. Got satellite navigation, enhanced Bluetooth. Nice thing. Really nice thing. Rear privacy black roof rails, tow bar, power tailgate, removable tow bar, power tailgate, black roof rails, black window frames, 20-inch diamond cut M Sport alloys with lovely Michelin tyres. Very, very, very nice. Not stone chipped at all. Now, look in there, wow. Superb Harman kardon, lovely light coloured leather. Got Servotronic steering. You can see the sat nav there. Beautiful. Sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, power tailgate, tow bar. Lovely, lovely thing. Load covers in there, super clean in the boot, nice tow bar, press the button, power tailgate, can't see any dents or scratches. Pretty thing. Obviously you've got sports mode, comfort mode, good service history. It's all registered on the computer in the car. Doesn't want any brake pads or servicing, or doesn't want an oil change or a brake fluid change. It's all up to date. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, auto lights, M Sport leather steering wheel with cruise control. Obviously this car's done 87,000 miles. There's the big satellite navigation, heated seats, automatic. Fitted mats. £13,795. Remember, it's ULEZ compliant, Euro 6. Beautiful car that. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other cars in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over to YouTube, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 2 years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.